Welcome, everyone, to Ocean City, Maryland, where the barrier island is bracing for blizzard conditions later this evening. Road crews have been brining the thoroughfares in anticipation of the storm named Keenan by the Weather Channel, and the National Weather Service is forecasting 8 to 12 inches of snow with north winds at 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 50. Blizzard conditions are expected to last about 24 hours before abating late Saturday. If you don't have a snow shovel, chances are slim you'll find one now. But there's still time to gas up the car and get a few provisions. Thanks for joining us, and please drive safely, or not at all, unless it's an absolute emergency.